In this video, we are making these letters and numbers. So first you can make a rough sketch on white paper, make a grid with help of ruler. After making the grid, start drawing the letter on it and then shade them with a pencil. Here on the letter C, you can see a cuboid is bent to a curve. For making letter in Blenders, first we should know how to bend a cuboid in Blender. So let's see how to bend a cuboid. So first go to Edit Mode from Object Mode. Mouse click on Face Select option in Select Mode. Press E to extrude the face region. Press Alt on keyboard and mouse, click the middle loop segment of the cuboid. Press G plus Z on the keyboard to move the loop segment along Z axis. Now press Ctrl plus B and mouse scroll button to add subdivision to loop segment. Now we know how to make a cuboid bend. Now I will make letter B, and you can try making the rest of letter and numbers yourself. You can see the keyboard screencast or the keys I am pressing here in the left bottom corner. Decrease the video speed to 0.25x to see the steps to making a letter B. If you are confused, please check out the description for shortcut keys and steps to make letter B. Go to Object Mode and then press Shift plus A to add a cube to the Blender scene. Scale it to Y-axis using keys S plus Y. Now right-click and click on Option Duplicate Object and press G plus Z to move it along Z-axis. Now press Shift to select both of the objects and then press Ctrl plus J to join the two shapes. And rename the object as capital B letter. Now we know how to make letter B, so it's time to make the other letters and numbers also. So make them as practicing Blender here in this video. I am not showing the process of making the all. Now add a camera to scene and follow the steps to adjust camera and to render the image and to save it to your computer. After selecting the camera on screen, choose Fly Navigation option from Navigation and adjust the camera position to take a look to the alphabets and numbers. Go to Render and then Render Image to save the PNG picture to your computer folders. Now click on this light icon and then this green light bulb icon, which is Object Data Properties, and here you can change the color of lights and power, intensity of lights in watts. Like here I am changing it to 7,000 or 15,000 watts. A few other videos are coming very soon on Blender problems. You can subscribe to channel if you are enjoying and new to Blender like me. Thanks for watching.